Hey guys, check out these projects. Have you seen what you can make using Stone Coat Countertop epoxy? Do-it-yourselfers, contractors, designers, artists, woodworkers, and more all love using Stone Coat Countertops to make their projects come to life. Beginning weekend warriors and advanced artisans all love the fact that Stone Coat Countertops can go over existing surfaces. Our videos will show you step by step for free how to finish your project like a pro. Our epoxy is heat resistant, scratch resistant, it's eco-friendly, crystal clear, and second to none. Renew old worn vanities and countertops. You can turn your favorite piece of wood into functional art. Simply mimic the looks of exotic natural stone. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com.
Our epoxy rocks, Stone Coat Countertops.
Hey, visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you soon.
Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com to see all the products used in this video.